If you've lost access to your PayPal account and need to regain ownership, follow these straightforward steps to recover it efficiently. Step 1. Visit the PayPal login page. Go to the official PayPal website and click on the login button. If you can't remember your password, select the Having Trouble Logging In link to start the recovery process. Step 2. Choose Account Recovery option. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the Account Recovery Checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Verify your identity. PayPal will send the verification code to your email or phone number. Check your inbox or messages for the code, then enter it on the PayPal website to confirm your identity. Step 4. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be directed to create a new password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used before to enhance your account security. Step 5. Secure your account. After regaining access, review your account settings. Update your security questions, enable two-factor authentication, and check for any unauthorized transactions to ensure your account is secure. By following these steps, you should be able to regain ownership of your PayPal account quickly. Always remember to keep your account information secure to prevent future issues.